Hanwha Vision's OnCloud is a direct-to-cloud video management system that gives users access to live and recorded video, event notifications, and more on any device. To get started, go to OnCloud's login page by entering oncloud.hanwhavision.cloud in your browser's address bar. You first need to create and register your organization within OnCloud. Click on Create an Organization Now to access the registration page. Fill in the form with your contact and organization's information, as this will be a demo system for Hanwha Vision. I will be filling this out with general information. Your organization's short name will be automatically generated, but can be edited now. It is important to note that this short name cannot be changed once it has been created. When entering your organization's address, options found will be presented to you. Selecting an option will also automatically populate the time zone for your organization. Be sure to check the boxes acknowledging Hanwha Vision's terms of service and privacy policy. Click Submit to begin the registration process. Once you click Submit, your organization and administrator accounts will have been created. Instructions will be sent to the email address provided with the instructions on activating your account. The confirmation email will include a 6-character PIN required to activate your account, as well as a link to the activation page. Enter the activation code provided in the confirmation email and create a password. Click Complete Account Activation. You will be brought to a page letting you know that your account has been verified successfully. You can now log into your OnCloud account. To learn more about OnCloud, visit us at hanwhavisionamerica.com.